Hey everyone, Tony Gentilcore here, and with the dumbbell row, with the one-arm dumbbell row, we can't talk about it unless we talk about the setup first. And the common mistake that I see quite often isn't so much like what people are doing on the working side, but what they're not doing on the stabilizing side or the non-working side. I don't think a lot of people give this much attention, whereas a lot of people, if you'll notice, they're just going to kind of be set up, kind of sunk into that shoulder and just kind of like hanging out on their passive restraints. That's just a very awkward position for the shoulder to be in. It can lead to some issues down the road. What I like to see is that people actively push away, protract, and stabilize that side while they're doing their repetitions on the working side or the moving side. So again, they shouldn't just be hanging out and getting a little in that shruggy pattern or overly retracted position in the shoulder and hang out in those passive restraints. I want to get that serratus to fire. I want them to protract on that stabilizing side and maintain this position through the whole duration of the set. So they're working strength and mobility or whatever on this side, and they're working stability on the non-working side. So it's kind of like a 2-for-1 with the dumbbell row, and something that a lot of people don't really give a lot of thought.